Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kanchi Khurana and I am an senior infertility consultant at Cloud9 Hospital, Chandigarh and Panchkula. So today we will be talking about very important topic, infertility and treatment of infertility and IVF. So what is infertility? Infertility is a condition in which male and female, after living together for almost a year, are not able to conceive. So this infertility is affecting 10 to 15% of all the population and 15 to 20% of the population in reproductive age group. So infertility today is a burden. Actually, it is affecting millions and millions of couples worldwide, and this infertility has brought a lot of stress to people around us. So if we talk about infertility, what are the treatment options for infertility? So first of all, we have to investigate the reason of infertility. So basically infertility can be male related or female related. 50% of the cases it will be female related and 50% of the cases will be male related. So when a couple walks us in our clinic and tells us that they have been having problem of not being able to conceive, we actually first of all test them whether what is the reason for infertility, and according to the reason the couples are advised for various treatments actually. So what are the treatment options for infertility basically? So a couple if is initially married, and when we do the investigations and we see all the investigations are normal, we just do a ovulation induction for the couple. What we do in ovulation induction, we give few drugs to the female partner. We check their ultrasound, we do their ultrasound and check whether or not their egg is forming on time and whether or not the egg is rupturing on time. And when we see the egg is forming and the egg is being ruptured, we ask them to keep relations at that time period, and some of them will conceive by just ovulation induction only. So if a couple is now not able to conceive by ovulation induction and is facing certain other problems as well, then other option is IUI. IUI is advised for couples basically who are married for 2 to 3 years, not able to conceive, and when we do a semen analysis, there is slight decrease in the semen parameters, there is slight decrease in the sperm count and quality of the male partner, and some or the other time the female partner also might be facing problems in the egg formation and egg rupturing. So for that couples we advise IUI. What do we do in IUI? We basically give few drugs and injections to the female partner to form an egg, and we give an injection to rupture the egg. When the egg ruptures, we take the semen sample of the husband, we prepare, wash and centrifuge the sample, and the good number of sperms, the good quality of sperms are injected directly into the uterus of the couple, and this is known as IUI. Now there may be few couples who might not conceive with the ovulation induction or IUI also. IUI has a success rate of 20 to 30%, and if we are doing 100 IUIs, 30 couples will conceive with IUI only, but still 70 couples will not conceive. In very good IVF centers or very good infertility clinics also, the success of IUI is only around 20 to 30%, and when we do continuous IUI for 3 to 4 cycles, the success in the 4th cycle will be around 50 to 60%. So if IUI is being done, and if you are not able to conceive in the first cycle or the second cycle, just don't depressed or sad that you are not able to conceive. Hopefully your 3rd and 4th cycle will help you conceive through IUI also, because the probability of conceiving increases as we increase the number of IUIs. So after doing 3 to 4 cycles of IUI also, if a couple is not able to conceive, then the treatment option is IVF. So what is IVF? IVF actually is in vitro fertilization. What are we doing in IVF? So what happens naturally is that one ovary will form one egg which will rupture and come in the tube of the female partner. Once the egg is in the tube and the female and male are keeping relations, the sperm from the vagina through the uterus goes inside the tube, and egg and sperm fertilize in the tube and they form an embryo. This embryo will grow in the tube for 4 to 5 days, and after 4 to 5 days it will come in the uterus of the female and grow inside the uterus of the female as an embryo and will form a fetus, and this fetus will grow for 9 months and it will form a baby. This is natural process of fertilization, natural process of conception. So there are certain problems when the female or male partner is having few problems. The female partner may have problem in egg formation, or they might have tubal factors, or they might have uterine factors, and the male partner may have problems in the count or motility or morphology of the semen. So what we do in these couples is we artificially form the eggs inside the ovary. We give few injections to the female partner to form the eggs inside the ovary. Once the eggs in the ovary are formed, we retrieve the eggs under anesthesia, and once we retrieve the eggs under anesthesia, we take semen sample of the husband. We take sperms from that sample, we fertilize egg and sperm, and we form an embryo. After the embryo is formed, we grow it for 3 to 5 days, and once the embryo is formed, we put it back inside the womb of the mother. We put it inside the uterus of the mother, which we will call embryo transfer. So this is the procedure of IVF. And I am a senior fertility expert at Cloud9 Hospitals, Chandigarh and Panchkula. You can contact me on my number, which is 9592268354. Also, you can consult me through the Health Finder YouTube channel, and you can go to their page and subscribe to that channel.